Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto OnChain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Blum Crypto. A game-changing September awaits. Blum Crypto is capturing the spotlight in the cryptocurrency world with its innovative approach to trading and community engagement. With a decentralized exchange, DEX, seamlessly integrated into Telegram, Blum is not only simplifying crypto trading but also reaching millions of users worldwide. With its massive Telegram user base of over 50 million, Blum is set to create waves this September with two key events: its listing on Binance and an eagerly awaited airdrop. The Binance Listing, a milestone for Blum Crypto. The Blum listing on Binance, expected before September 30th, is a crucial step for the platform. Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, provides unparalleled visibility and trading opportunities for listed projects. This listing is more than just an event, it's a defining moment for Blum. Here's why. Increased liquidity. A Binance listing brings a surge in trading activity, making it easier for users to buy and sell Blum tokens. Global exposure. With millions of traders on Binance, Blum's market presence will grow exponentially, attracting new users from around the globe. Market validation. Listing on Binance signals credibility, establishing Blum as a trusted and promising project in the crypto space. For current investors and new entrants, the listing represents an opportunity to engage with a platform poised for growth. It's a critical milestone that underscores Blum's commitment to innovation and market leadership. Blum Airdrop, a community-centered celebration. While the Binance listing is monumental, Blum's upcoming airdrop on September 20th has stirred even greater excitement within its community. This event is designed to reward both loyal users and newcomers, encouraging participation and strengthening community bonds. Here's why the airdrop matters. Free token rewards. Users will receive Blum tokens as a reward, enabling them to explore the platform or enhance their holdings. Driving participation. Airdrops often spark interest among crypto enthusiasts, drawing new users to the platform and increasing overall engagement. Potential price impact. By broadening its user base and encouraging token usage, the airdrop could positively influence the Blum crypto price. The excitement is palpable. A recent community poll showed that users overwhelmingly preferred the chance to earn a challenging $50 reward over an easier $5, a clear sign of their enthusiasm and commitment. Blum's community-centric approach, paired with the confirmed airdrop details, has generated substantial buzz across social media and forums. Blum's strategic vision. Bridging trading gaps. Blum's unique position in the crypto market lies in its ability to bridge centralized and decentralized trading systems. By integrating a DEX into Telegram, Blum offers a seamless and user-friendly trading experience. Key highlights of Blum's strategy include: accessibility. With Telegram as a familiar platform, even crypto beginners can trade with ease. Decentralized security. The DEX ensures users retain control of their funds, eliminating the risks associated with centralized exchanges. Scalability. Blum's integration with major exchanges like Binance enhances its reach, enabling high trading volumes and robust liquidity. These features position Blum as a trailblazer, combining the best of both worlds and offering a trading platform that's efficient, secure, and easy to use. A growing ecosystem and future plans. Blum is not just about trading, it's building a thriving ecosystem. The team behind Blum is focused on expanding its features, introducing innovative tools, and ensuring a seamless user experience. Future plans include: advanced trading tools. From analytics to automated trading features, Blum aims to equip users with powerful tools to optimize their trades. Partnerships and collaborations. Blum is actively seeking partnerships with other crypto projects, tech companies, and influencers to expand its network. Continuous community rewards. Beyond the upcoming airdrop, Blum plans to launch regular incentives to keep its community engaged and motivated. What this means for crypto enthusiasts. Blum Crypto's September events, the Binance Listing and the Airdrop, are more than just milestones. They represent a shift in how crypto platforms engage with users. For investors, traders, and crypto enthusiasts, Blum offers an opportunity to be part of a project that's innovative, accessible, and community-focused. Whether you're looking to trade efficiently on Telegram, earn rewards through the airdrop, or benefit from the liquidity and exposure of a Binance listing, Blum has something to offer. Conclusion: a transformative month ahead. September is set to be a landmark month for Blum Crypto. The Binance listing and the highly anticipated airdrop will cement Blum's position as a leading player in the crypto space. These events will drive growth, enhance liquidity, and foster deeper engagement within the community. As Blum continues to innovate and expand, it's clear that this platform is on a path to reshape the crypto trading landscape. Stay tuned for updates, and don't miss the chance to be part of this exciting journey.